This is a great and solemn celebration and a day I will cherish forever. Eve and Michael would like to thank all of you for being here. We would like you to know that each of you were invited here on this day because you have played an integral part in their lives. We gather here today to celebrate the love Eve and Michael share and to witness their commitment of a lifetime together. This is a joyous occasion, a moment of love, promise, and celebration.
She talks about the future like she's flipping through a magazine. Finds the beauty in the thrown away and broken things. Gets excited about all my crazy dreams. Got every sunset that she's ever seen memorized. Saves him away for a rainy day or stormy night. Sky's brighter looking at it through her eyes. I don't remember life before she came into the picture. Brought the beauty I was missing with her. Showed me colors I ain't never seen. She took chances.
Repeat after me. I, Mike, take you, Neve,
I, Mike, take you, Neve,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or poorer.
for richer or poorer.
I promise to be true to you in good times
I promise to be true to you in good times
and in bad,
and in bad,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health.
and in health.
I will love and honor you
I will love and honor you
all the days of my life
all the days of my life,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
I, Neve,
I, Neve,
take you, Mike,
take you, Mike,
for my lawfully wedded husband,
for my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or poorer.
richer or poor.
I promise to be true to you in good times
I promise to be true to you in good times
and in bad,
and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life
all the days of my life,
and until death do us part.
until death do us part.
I, Mike, give you, Neve, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment.
I might give you this
Ring
ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
I, Neve, give you, Mike,
I, Neve, give you, Mike,
this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment.
this ring as a symbol of our love and commitment.
With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
Mike, I know you've been waiting a long time. You may now kiss the bride.
Most of my memories with Neve involve some form of chaos, but one of my favorites has to be the look of pure horror on our Spanish teacher's face after we decided to roast each other in full Spanish with very personal real-life events. That's when I knew she was my lifelong partner in mischief. Fast forward to today, here we are at her wedding. Neve, you found someone who loves you as much as you love your animals. After all, you did make your dog the maid of honor. Mike, you're a brave man, and I wish you the best of luck keeping up with the ever-growing list of animal names. I'm pretty sure we all know you practice them in secret. On a more sincere note, Neve, you've always been one of my most caring, genuine, and grounded people in my life. It brings me so much joy to see you with someone who not only makes you laugh, but also loves and cherishes you for exactly who you are. You've truly found a love that matches your heart, and you deserve nothing less. So let's raise our glass of empty liquor. May your life together be filled with love, laughter, and plenty of farming.
Now, I've known Mike since we were just kids in school. And let me tell you, he was always the quiet and shy one. And to be honest, some things never change. You still have your moments, but don't let that calm exterior fool anybody. Neve, I'm not sure Mike ever told you this, but the first time he mentioned you to me was at a White Sox game. I asked him if he was seeing anyone, and he said, yeah, I'm talking to this girl from Frankfurt that I met on a dating app. Mike, as anyone knows you, will tell you he's one of those rare souls who would give you the shirt off his back without a second thought. He's been there for me through thick and thin, and I can't thank him enough for your friendship over the years. You can always tell Mike has been hard at work because his hands are never clean. They're always busy with something, and that's the kind of guy you are. As for Mike and Neve, well, they're a perfect match. Mike works the land, and Neve, you're the one who raises the animals. Together, they're a pair of not only who work hard, but understand the importance of caring for both the land and the creatures, and that's something that you guys share together. Neve, Mike's a lucky man to have found someone as wonderful as you. And Mike, let's be honest, you really outdone yourself here. A little bit of advice for you, though, Mike. They say happy wife, happy life. And I'm here to tell you that's one piece of wisdom that you definitely want to hold on to. Now, if you'd raise your glass, I'd like to offer a toast to Mike and Neve. May you once dance as if no one's watching, sing as if no one's listening, and live each day as if it was your last. And here's to a lifetime of happiness and laughter and love. Salancha.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance. I met her on Grafton Street, right outside of the bar. She shared a cigarette with me while her brother played the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The Gaelic ink on your arm. Said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want to drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun. She got Arthur on the table with Johnny riding a shotgun. Chatted some more, one more drink at the bar. Then put Van on the jukebox, got up to dance. You know she played her fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance with my pretty little Galway girl. You're my pretty little Galway girl. Hey. You know she beat me at darts and then she beat me at pool, and then she kissed me like there was nobody else in the room. As last orders were called was when she stood on the stool after dancing to Kaylee singing to trad tunes. I never heard Carrick Fergus ever sung so sweet. A cappella in the bar using her feet for a beat. Oh, I could have that voice playing on repeat for a week. And in this packed out room where she was singing to me. You know she played her fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance, my pretty little Galway girl. My Galway girl. My Galway girl. My Galway girl. Well, now we'd all said our welcome and it's closing time. I was holding her hand was holding mine.